Cypress Wetlands, Port Royal, South Carolina. Cypress Wetlands Rookery Boardwalk View. A close look into the Cypress Wetlands Rookery. The high-pitched sound is the nestling White Ibis. With the arrival of August, the White Ibises have taken over the Rookery. Only a few Wood Storks and Egrets fledglings remain. Ibis's parents make many trips to their food source because of the nestlings' insatiable appetite. White ibises probe for insects and crustaceans beneath the surface of wetlands. They insert their bill into soft, muddy bottoms and feel for prey. When they feel something, they pinch it like a pair of tweezers, pulling out crayfish, earthworms, marine worms, and crabs. They also stab or pinch fish, frogs, lizards, and newts. When the ibis gets its fill of nutrition, it quickly returns to the waiting nestlings. Both white ibis parents share foraging and incubation duties. Clutch size, 1 to 5 eggs. Number of broods, 2 to 3 broods. Incubation period, 21 to 23 days. Nestling period, 17 to 20 days. Egg description: cream blue-green eggs with brown splotches. Condition at hatching: helpless with closed eyes. Body covered in black and gray. Cypress Wetlands Rookery Boardwalk View. A close look into the Cypress Wetlands Rookery. Cypress Wetlands, Port Royal, South Carolina.